Today we are talking about one of the most misunderstood foods, the humble egg. For years, eggs were blamed for cholesterol problems. People were told to avoid the yolk, to eat egg whites only, to limit eggs to a few per week. But modern research and experts like Dr. Berg have helped clarify something very important. Dietary cholesterol does not automatically translate into high blood cholesterol for most people. In fact, eggs are one of the most nutrient dense food available. Let's break this down. One whole egg contains high quality complete protein, healthy fats, choline, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, folate, selenium, lutein, and zeaxanthin for eye health, and most of the nutrients are in the yolk. When people throw out the yolk, they are discarding the most powerful part of the egg. Dr. Berg often explains that eggs support stable blood sugar, hormone production, brain function, liver health because of the choline, muscle preservation, satiety, and choline in particular is critical for liver function and fat metabolism. Many people are actually deficient in choline, and eggs are one of the richest sources. Now let's address the big question. Is it safe to eat 3 to 4 eggs per day? For most healthy individuals, yes. Eggs do not spike insulin. They do not contain sugar. They stabilize appetite. They help reduce cravings. When you eat eggs in the morning for breaking fast, you may notice that you feel fuller longer, you snack less, you have more stable energy, and that's because eggs combine protein and healthy fats, exactly what we've been building in this program. Now, a gentle reminder, eggs are most supportive when they are paired with fiber like vegetables. So you could have eggs with spinach, eggs with avocado, eggs with sauteed vegetable, or maybe an omelette with mushroom and herbs. So this will keep your blood sugar stable and support fat burning. Also, quality matters. So whenever possible, choose pasteurized, free-range, organic if available. The best would be to get them directly from the farm. And remember, the yolk contains the fat-soluble vitamins. The yolk supports hormone balance. The yolk provides essential nutrients that your body needs. Especially after 40, protein and healthy fat becomes even more important. Eggs are simple. They are affordable, accessible, and powerful. You don't need complicated superfoods. Sometimes the most powerful foods are the most traditional ones. I always have boiled eggs in my fridge because it's a very easy snack to grab and go. I keep them in a glass container like a mason jar, and I fill it up with water that will help to keep them fresh for 5 to 6 days. So today's habit is simple. If eggs feel supportive, include them. Notice how your energy feels, how your hunger feels, and how calm your body feels as well. We're not chasing trends, we are returning to real food. And eggs are one of nature's most complete foods. Keep stacking your habit. You are building strength, not just losing weight. Be gentle with yourself today. progress is happening.